Now before I showed you how to go into each system. In this one I'm actually going to show you how to get to your wiring diagrams and your torque specs without actually going into each system. And all it is a matter of highlighting the system that you want information on. So if I want the engine, I highlight the engine. If not, I highlight the transmission. But whatever I have highlighted, the same way it is when you're into your system, on the outside, it's whatever's highlighted, the whole left side becomes. So if you need your wiring diagrams, that's here. And as you see, if I highlight the transmission, now click on diagrams, it's transmission. If I highlight on the ABS system, it's all ABS related. So whatever's highlighted out here is what the information on the left hand side becomes.